To bread fish, first crack 3 large eggs in a bowl and whisk them thoroughly. Fill a separate bowl with breadcrumbs and another bowl with all-purpose flour. Then, dry off your thawed fish fillets with paper towels. Take the first fillet and dip both sides in the flour so it's completely coated. Then, dip both sides of the fillet in the egg mixture. Don't worry if a little flour comes off. Finally, dip both sides of the fillet in the breadcrumbs. Place each fillet on a plate when you finish breading it. To pan-fry the fish, first spread 1 to 2 teaspoons, 5 to 10 milliliters of oil around in a pan. Place the fillets in the pan and cook them over medium-high heat for 3 to 10 minutes depending on how thick they are. Then, flip the fillets over and cook the other side for 3 to 10 minutes. To bake the fillets in the oven, first preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Then, set the fillets on the sheet and bake them in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick they are.